Hi guys, welcome to my channel Miss Bird. I'm Sarah. I'm just going to do a little potting up video of some of the propagations that I've recently done. I'm going to sneeze. So I'm just in my garden at the moment. I'm on my very well loved potting table slash DIY table. So my dum cane was looking really leggy. So I decided to clip some of the longer, larger leaves off, and I've been propagating them in water and they look good to me to go. The roots are probably about 1.5 inches, and these guys do really well anyway for me. I can't seem to kill this plant. This is Nigel. He has been with me for 3 years and he was my first plant, and he's nearly died a few times, which I think I've said on this channel before. But yeah, so he was getting, well, he's getting quite leggy still, so I might even go a bit further maybe. So yeah, I got some of his larger leaves off and I'm just gonna repot those in here. And then I also propagated my FATSIA japonica. This guy's doing pretty well. Some new leaves there and a little heart-shaped leaf. But again, I think this one is about ready, and I'll show you these close up. And the same with my monstera, although I accidentally cut off a leaf in the process, just one, and I wondered if I could get it to root, because I can actually get just the leaves of this dum cane to root, but it's gone yellow, so I think it might be a bit of a goner. So I'm just gonna pot these guys up because we've got a big old root here now, aerial root, and yeah, just a little plant. And I'll probably give these away as gifts. So if you guys are interested in having a little teeny tiny monstera, then let me know in the comments and I might do a giveaway, but I'm not sure my channel's big enough yet to do a giveaway, or if anyone's bothered. So I'm going to pot these guys up, probably leave this guy out. I feel bad for him, he's only little. So I'm just going to do Nigel first. So I'm literally just going to look to see where I want the propagations, see what will look the best. I'm going to just make a hole with my finger, so just in case you haven't seen the roots. Here they are. Just topping off with a little bit of compost. So Nigel is looking a lot fuller. So I've decided to make Nigel even less leggy than he is. So I think I'm going to cut these for 5 down because they are leggy boys. So I've got some clean, sharp scissors. The nodes are actually here because that's where stuff's growing up, but I'm going to go a bit further down. Same with that one. So these will actually root just here, but with, say with like the monstera, deliciosa, there doesn't need to be an aerial root, but it really helps if there's an aerial root, and that's what this thing is, just here, coming out of here. And as you can see, I cut, so there was a node, and that's where the roots are growing from. That's the monstera. Same with the FATSIA japonica. Baby leaf. Cute. Oh, I should say that you should be careful with the sap of these dum canes, because some people are allergic even if they just get it on their fingers, but definitely don't put your fingers in your mouth after you've done this, because it makes people's throats close up, I think. Can't breathe, get swollen, so definitely don't want that to happen. I did notice that these ones that I already trimmed from before have got little growths coming out. So they'll grow some new stuff as well, hopefully. So I've just got some clean water in a vase here. I might put a little bit of growth hormone on the bottom of these. So I've got some, I just dip it into the pot and then I put it straight into the water. And also I got another tip that someone said to put some plant food in here and it helps with the growing, so I did that. Also, I think this just looks nice, like just as a centerpiece for a table. Maybe not the dumb cane because it's poisonous, but so you don't really want that on your dinner table. But I think it looks very cute instead of maybe flowers. That's Nigel, he's looking a bit sad again now. But he's looking more one shape rather than great big leggy boy. But he'll be alright, he always is. So for my monstera and my FATSIA japonica, I'm just going to use some of Lidl's seed and cutting compost. And this is cheap. I haven't had a problem with it yet. So I'm going to mix that with some perlite. As the amazing Plantarina says, I like to get my hands in the dirt. For the FATSIA japonica, I'm just going to use a little 9cm pot. It's a little bit of the bigger one anyway for the monstera because it's got bigger roots. So that's my thinking with that. So that guy all potted up. I'm going to give these a thorough watering, get all the air out with him before I wreck him. I don't know why they're boys today. I usually think they're girls. So I've watered these guys thoroughly until the water comes out of the bottom of the pot. And again, they're guys. I don't know why they're boys today. But Nigel's always a boy. If you guys have got any tips for me, I'd really love to hear them because it's always massively helpful. So if you think I did anything wrong, then let me know, I don't mind. And let me know if you would be interested in a giveaway. I'm nearly at 500 subscribers, so maybe I could do it for that. And I know that people still can't get monsteras very easily, so I'm happy to give this guy away if people show an interest in wanting it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Next week I've got a DIY for you. And I'll probably do a haul in between as well because I need to nip over to Home Bargains. Make sure you check out my other videos. Follow me on Instagram at SarahBirdMusic. And thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell and see you in the next one, hopefully.